Hey guys, welcome back to my first video. Today I was just going to be reviewing on the Fighter 1 RC car. I don't know if you can see this. This is what my RC car looks like on the inside. I don't have a flashlight. Maybe that will help a bit. You can't see in there, right? There's how everything works. ESC, you got shocks, motor, and everything. And when you first get the car, the body will have a thin piece of plastic on it. And you just peel that piece of plastic off and you're good to go. Another thing about the RC car is it does not have lights, and it has a 5-wired servo. So if you're that far into the hobby and you like 5-wired servos, yes.